Who doesn't want to be prepared to survive any situation? Lucky you, because we have some amazing gadgets that will help you thrive in challenging situations. From powerful weapons to versatile tools, these inventions are designed to enhance your survival skills. As usual, links to all the gadgets are in the description below. Here we have the AR6 Stinger 2 Compact, a game changer in the world of pistol crossbows. This ultralight marvel boasts the highest rate of fire among all repeating crossbows. Don't let its size fool you though, it packs a surprising punch in close quarters situations. What sets it apart is the lightning-fast cocking mechanism and the fibre optic front sight, ensuring rapid and accurate aiming. With a wide range of accessories available, such as a red dot sight for long distances and a laser and light for low light conditions, you can customize it to suit your needs. Reloading is a breeze, thanks to the new speed loaders which fill the magazine in seconds. For $300, the AR6 Stinger is crafted from durable polymer material and is practically indestructible, making it a reliable companion in any survival scenario. The Alkaid Knife, a true masterpiece of craftsmanship and engineering. For $250, this knife stands out with its unique spine-mounted spring lock, providing secure blade locking. The deployment is smooth, and while unlocking is best done with two hands, one-handed operation is a breeze. What makes it even more fascinating is its ability to transform from a standard knife to a push dagger mode effortlessly. The button lock mechanism ensures easy switching between modes. The knife's ergonomic design offers comfort, although the finger grooves in standard mode may limit flexibility in different grips. And the best part? It comes with a stunning dark wood display case, making it a perfect addition to your collection. This camping flashlight takes versatility to a whole new level. Not only does it serve as a reliable light source, but it also offers mood light and work light modes, catering to various camping needs. With its unique placement options, including a hook, magnetic base, and strap, you can easily position it wherever you need it, freeing your hands for other tasks. The flashlight even features a side light as a second light source, with 13 different types of light available through a simple interface, and all for $80. Its matte white cover ensures brightness while maintaining a clean appearance. Plus, the durable material construction enhances both tactile qualities and heat dissipation. With the HOTO Flashlight Duo, you'll have all the light you need for your camping adventures. The AR7 Survival Rifle, which has a rich history as the choice firearm for US Air Force pilots in remote areas. Its reputation for portability, ease of operation, and reliability extends to the civilian world. This lightweight rifle can be disassembled and stored inside its impact-resistant and water-resistant stock. With a simple assembly process, you can have it ready for action within seconds without the need for any tools. The Henry US Survival AR7 features a durable steel barrel covered in tough ABS plastic, ensuring corrosion resistance and maintaining tack driving accuracy. Chambered in 22 LR, it allows you to carry a large quantity of ammunition without adding significant weight to your gear. For a retail price of $350, it's all yours. Here's a comprehensive tool designed specifically for handgun enthusiasts. With a cost of $50, this compact tool provides easy one-hand access to a wide range of functions, including mounting accessories, field disassembly, and adjusting laser sights. The real Avid pistol tool features 18 highly capable titanium-coated tools calibrated to popular pistol platforms, from polymer striker-fired pistols to the iconic 1911. With a threaded receiver and detachable pin punch, you can easily attach cleaning rods and cables. The pistol tool also includes a bit driver, metal file, hex bits with ball detents, barrel bushing wrenches for 1911 models, tap hammer surface, stainless steel pick/scraper, a handy 3-inch Tanto knife, and more. It's a must-have addition to any handgunner's range bag or workbench. Looking for the ultimate companion for backcountry survival? Lifesaber is an incredible device that serves as an inexhaustible cell phone charger and more. With its snap-in tools, it becomes a mechatronic multi-tool for every emergency. Running out of phone battery will no longer be a worry. You can recharge your phone anywhere, anytime with a simple ergonomic motion. Just 15 minutes of twirling or 3 minutes of full forearm power cranking will generate enough power to restart a dead cell phone. But that's not all. The optional snap-in UV water purifier can treat microbiologically unsafe water by using germicidal ultraviolet light. In just 3 minutes of cranking, you can sterilize 1 litre of unsafe water. Additionally, there's a snap-in fire starter that creates a 2000-degree Fahrenheit arc to start fires even in harsh weather conditions. The built-in 31 lumens flashlight, emergency siren, blinding strobe and more make the Lifesaber an indispensable tool for your survival adventures. Not bad for the price of $150. It's time for the ultimate outdoor multi-tool. With 31 features, the Offgrid Tools Pro Survival Axe Elite is fully equipped for any situation you might come across. For just $70, this piece features an all-steel full tang and axe head, paired with an ultra-strong and lightweight glass-filled nylon handle. The resharpenable hatchet blade is perfect for chopping, clearing debris, or demolition tasks. The hammerhead and claw are ideal for pounding in and removing tent stakes or repairing your deer stand. Additionally, it includes an interchangeable 6-inch bimetal saw blade that folds out from the handle and locks into place, allowing you to saw through various materials. The base of the handle incorporates a car escape tool with a seatbelt cutter and window punch, providing added safety. With its compact size, weighing just over 1.5 pounds and measuring 11 inches long, the survival axe is large enough to handle serious tasks, yet compact enough to fit into your glove box or bug-out bag. Every true survivalist needs a compact satellite communicator that keeps you connected when you're off the grid. The inReach Mini 2 by Garmin provides peace of mind and adds an extra layer of safety to your adventures. You can exchange text messages with loved ones back home, post to social media, or communicate with other inReach devices in the field. The inReach Mini 2 allows you to share your location with loved ones using your map share page or by embedding coordinates in your messages. It operates via the global Iridium satellite network, ensuring reliable communication even in areas without cell phone coverage. To access the network and use the device, an active satellite subscription is required. Don't let its small size fool you. The inReach Mini 2 is tough, durable, impact-resistant, and water-rated to IBX7. With a cost of $350, it features a track-back routing feature to navigate you back to your starting point, accurate heading information, and a rechargeable battery that provide up to 90 hours of battery life in 10-minute tracking mode. Stay connected wherever your adventures take you. A reliable and versatile folding knife should be in every survivalist's pocket. For the price of $80, the Delica 4 Lightweight by Spyderco features a flat-ground VG10 stainless steel blade that provides excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The handle is constructed from fiberglass reinforced nylon, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip. With its sturdy lock-back mechanism, the blade stays securely in place during use, reducing the risk of accidents. The knife's lightweight design and 4-position pocket clip make it easy to carry and access whenever needed. Whether you're cutting ropes, preparing meals, or performing intricate tasks, the Spyderco Delica 4 Lightweight is a trustworthy companion. Alright, remember to check the description for links to each gadget, and we'll see you in the next one.